What's up, Tech Fam? Welcome back to Microsoft Sphere, where we bring you the absolute cutting edge. First up, the European Union is putting major tech giants like Apple, Google, and Microsoft on notice, demanding answers about how they're tackling rampant financial scams online. We're diving deep into the EU's Digital Services Act and what this means for your favorite apps and services. Next, we're heading to the heart of AI innovation. Microsoft is going all in, greenlighting the second phase of what's being called the world's most powerful AI data center. We're talking about a massive investment, cutting-edge NVIDIA GPUs, and mind-blowing capabilities that could redefine artificial intelligence as we know it. But that's not all. Microsoft is also revolutionizing teamwork with its 365 Copilot. Get ready for AI agents that act as your teammates, embedded directly into Teams, SharePoint, and Viva Engage. We're talking about smarter meetings, seamless project management, and a whole new way to collaborate. And finally, we're beefing up security. Microsoft is dropping a crucial guide for Windows Admin Center, introducing certificate-based authentication to lock down your systems tighter than ever. Plus, we'll recap all the major headlines and tell you how to stay locked in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The EU's digital crackdown. Is big tech doing enough against scammers? The European Union is taking a firm stance, demanding that tech titans like Apple, Google, and Microsoft provide detailed explanations on their strategies to combat online financial scams. This move, under the Digital Services Act, signals Brussels' commitment to enforcing online regulations and protecting users across the bloc. The European Commission has formally requested information from these major players, including Booking, concerning their measures against fraudulent activities on their platforms. The EU is particularly concerned about the potential misuse of app stores by scammers creating fake banking applications and search engines hosting malicious links. This proactive step could pave the way for further investigations and potential penalties under the DSA, though it does not imply any law has already been broken. EU Digital Affairs spokesman Thomas Rignier emphasized that platforms must play their part in safeguarding users. Microsoft has affirmed its commitment to online safety, while Google highlighted its daily efforts in blocking scammy search results. Booking noted a significant reduction in detected fake reservations. This initiative underscores the EU's robust regulatory framework, including the Digital Markets Act, aimed at ensuring fair competition and user protection online, even as these rules face scrutiny from international stakeholders. Users and industry watchers are closely monitoring these developments, with many expressing relief that regulators are finally addressing the pervasive issue of online fraud. Analysts suggest this could set a precedent for stricter platform accountability globally. But will these big tech giants truly step up, or is this just the beginning of a longer battle? Stay tuned as we uncover more tech transformations, including a massive AI data center upgrade that's set to blow your mind. Microsoft's AI powerhouse, Phase 2 activated. Microsoft is accelerating its commitment to artificial intelligence, greenlighting the second phase of a colossal data center project in Mount Pleasant, Wisconsin, bringing the total investment to a staggering $7.3 billion. This facility is poised to become the operational hub for training the world's most powerful AI models. Designed for the creation and training of advanced AI models, the Mount Pleasant facility will house an immense array of NVIDIA GPUs, interconnected with enough fiber optics to circle the globe 4 times. These systems are engineered to train frontier AI models with unprecedented speed and capability, reportedly 10 times faster than current supercomputers. Microsoft has addressed environmental concerns by implementing a sophisticated closed-loop liquid cooling system, minimizing water usage to the equivalent of a single restaurant, with external air cooling as a backup. The company assures that this expansion will not impact energy costs for local residents, as they have prepaid for the necessary energy and infrastructure. During peak construction, the site employed 3,000 workers, and upon completion, it's expected to create 800 permanent jobs, solidifying its role as a significant economic driver. This ambitious expansion has generated considerable excitement within the AI community, with many anticipating the breakthroughs that will emerge from such a powerful computational resource. Industry experts view this as a critical step in maintaining Microsoft's competitive edge in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. This AI infrastructure is truly a game changer, but how will it impact your daily workflow? Get ready for an update that brings AI directly into your team's collaboration tools, making work smarter, not harder. Your AI teammates are here. Microsoft 365 Copilot gets an upgrade. Microsoft is transforming team collaboration with the introduction of new collaborative agents for Microsoft 365 Copilot, designed to function as AI teammates directly within Teams, SharePoint, and Viva Engage. These intelligent agents aim to streamline workflows, enhance productivity, and embed AI seamlessly into everyday work. The latest enhancements bring a suite of specialized agents, including the now generally available Facilitator agent for Teams meetings and public previews of the Knowledge agent in SharePoint, Channel agents in Teams, and Community agents in Viva Engage. The Project Manager agent also sees its skills in public preview, alongside new workflow templates and audio recap features for Teams. These agents are built to be context-aware, adapt to specific workspaces, and operate under enterprise-level security, compliance, and admin controls. The Facilitator agent assists in meetings by managing agendas, guiding discussions, and creating documents, while the Project Manager agent integrates with Planner for task tracking. In SharePoint, the Knowledge agent curates and tags content, ensuring Copilot draws from trusted data sources. Microsoft is also empowering developers with new tools to build and scale custom AI agents within Teams, fostering a robust ecosystem. This evolution of Copilot has been met with enthusiasm from users and analysts alike, who see it as a significant leap forward in making AI a practical and integrated part of team-based work. The focus on embedding AI into existing workflows is seen as a key differentiator for Microsoft. These AI teammates are set to revolutionize how we work, but what about securing our digital environments? We're shifting gears to critical security updates that every administrator needs to know. Fortifying Windows Admin Center, certificate authentication is here. Microsoft has released a comprehensive guide for implementing certificate-based authentication in Windows Admin Center, WAC, gateway servers, leveraging Active Directory Certificate Services, ADCS, to significantly enhance security and mitigate credential-based attacks. This new capability allows organizations to enforce smart card or virtual smart card logon for administrators, ensuring that access to WAC is granted only upon presentation of a valid client certificate. By integrating Authentication Mechanism Assurance, AMA, and Active Directory Security Groups, this solution adds a robust second factor to Windows integrated authentication. The process involves deploying an enterprise certification authority, configuring a certificate template for smart card logon, and issuing certificates to administrators. These certificates are then linked to a dedicated universal security group via the MS-DSOID to group link attribute. AMA dynamically adds this group to a user's Kerberos token upon successful smart card authentication. WAC gateway settings can then be configured to require membership in both an administrative group and this newly created smart card required group, ensuring that only users with valid smart card certificates can access the WAC. Microsoft's guide provides detailed steps, PowerShell CMDlets for automation, and troubleshooting tips, aligning WAC deployments with zero trust principles. The release has been positively received by IT professionals and security experts, who praise the enhanced security posture it offers against sophisticated cyber threats. The emphasis on multi-factor authentication aligns with best practices for protecting sensitive infrastructure management tools. And that wraps up our deep dives. But don't go anywhere, we've got a rapid-fire recap and all the ways you can stay connected with Microsoft Sphere coming up right after this. That's a wrap on today's Essential Tech Updates. We covered the EU's probe into Apple, Google, and Microsoft over financial scams, Microsoft's massive investment in its next-gen AI data center, the game-changing collaborative AI agents now in Microsoft 365 Copilot, and the critical security boost for Windows Admin Center with certificate authentication. Don't miss out on future breakdowns. Smash that like button, subscribe to Microsoft Sphere, ring the notification bell, leave a comment with your thoughts, and follow us on all our social channels for more exclusive content. We'll see you in the next one.